Peace, Infinite Waters, diving deep once again. I'm going to show you how I go to the toilet for the 7-day vegan challenge. We ain't even had breakfast yet. Can I get a hello there? So, like most of us, I used to go to the toilet like this. And sit down. And sometimes I would read a magazine because I was eating a lot of junk food and I would just be sitting down. I just found out that's like the reason why I had a lot of constipation and why a lot of people have constipation. Because for thousands of years, people have been actually sitting like this. Wait, leave it down. Squatting. Whoa. Yeah, it's that simple. When you squat, there's a muscle, the puborectalis, fully relaxes so you can get all of that food out of you, baby, and go like, ah. See, when you're sitting down like that, you're actually in a 90 degrees position. And Stanford University Pelvic Floor Clinic, everyone who has colon issues there is required to start squatting. So the science is there. Do yourself a favor. Hey, you look kind of cool doing it. Have a beautiful day. Infinite Waters, diving deep once again. Can't believe we're in the toilet, man. Stay well. I can't believe it. Stay healthy.